Up for sale today, I got a 1966 Corvette finished in its factory correct Ermine white with bright blue vinyl interior, two tops, hardtop convertible top, automatic, power steering, power disc brakes, power antenna, with a newer 350 V8 motor. And you know the deal, gonna walk around the car, tell you about the car, point out some of the flaws. It's a nice, I don't like to use the word driver because people associate driver with a junk because it's not a show car, but it's a nice driver Corvette. You'll be more than happy, the banging in the background, you'll be more than happy to take it around, drive it, enjoy it, toy with it as time goes on. Nice repaint of Ermine white. Very nice chrome all the way around. Nice hubcaps, nice wheels, tires, excuse me. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you do enjoy the car and want to see more. A couple things of dust flew on when I walked away. It's got a couple bubbles on the fender and a chip right there and a little mark right there and another chip right there and another chip right there. If you want to just skip ahead, see the driving video if that's why you're here. Later in the video, probably the last minute. There's a little crack in the door panel, and this doesn't like to sit flat. It kind of sticks out a little bit. Nice seats, no rips. Nice carpet with no rips again. Very nice dash. Dash pad's good. No cracks other than this little triangle right there that you see me pointing at. And then again on this door panel, a few more cracks. So the door panels are a little older, but the interior itself is in nice condition all the way around. Especially the dash and the gauges, the cluster, the clock, all that looks very nice. So I'll close the door again. Like I said, it's a two-top, hard-top, black vinyl cloth top. In fact, black vinyl top, excuse me. A couple more chips right there. All bonding strips are in place. I forgot to mention that, yes. And I know for a fact the other side has them. I know this side has them. Again, chrome, excellent. And it is a rarer combination of the Ermine white with bright blue vinyl interior. It's funny, I've never owned a white with blue interior car, and I have a 59 in that. I have the 66 in that, and now I have a 69 in that. So, but yeah, it's a nice driver quality Corvette. Again, I don't like to use the word driver because I feel like people associate driver as, it's not nice, you know. I've seen people take junks to car shows and they're proud of them. You know, what does that have to do with anything? Door likes to get caught right there. Frame's very solid, very clean. Very nice condition underneath. And I'll pop the hood when I get to it in a second. It'll be for sale later today. eBay and my website, nextgenclassiccars.com. Another chip right there. More dust. Another little touch-up right there, and another touch-up right there. We will be priced right on this car, being a 66 Corvette with options. Rarer color combination. And like I said, subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. Thank you. But after I pop the hood, show you a little bit more about the car, and I'll let you listen to it. We're going to fire it up, drive it around the block. You can see it go by, listen to it run. So we'll go and I'll pop the hood. As far as the electronics, the headlights work, the speedometer works, the gas gauge works, the battery works. Other than that, the tach isn't new distributor, so the tach's not connected. I don't think the oil gauge works, and the clock does not work. So there you go. Your power brakes, power steering, the power antenna, the switch is under there. Pop it open. It is a 350 V8, like I said, with an automatic transmission. And here we go. Thanks for watching. Thank you.